Dear students, in this lecture we are going to study objectives and functions of accounting. First of all, let us start our lecture with understanding the objectives of accounting. The main purpose or objective of accounting is to identify business transactions of financial nature and enter them into proper books of accounts. The accounting records can also be used as evidence in the court of law. The objects of accounting are summarized as follows. Systematic record. Basic objective of accounting is to record the financial transactions systematically. These recorded transactions are further classified and summarized logically for the preparation of financial statements. Then ascertainment of result. To ascertain the result of the business during a particular period is the important purpose of accounting, and for this purpose the profit and loss account and balance sheet is prepared, and for that purpose the base is journal entries and accounting. Then provide information. There are various interested parties in the business. Accounting provides the information to all these internal as well as external parties. Then protect the business properties. Accounting provides information to the proprietor to protect his properties from unjustified and unwarranted use. Proprietor can ensure that the funds of the business are not unnecessarily wasted or kept idle. Then another important aspect is decision making. Accounting collects, analyzes and reports the information to the management to facilitate rational decision making. Financial position. A businessman must know his financial position. This purpose is achieved by preparing the position statement, that is balance sheet. It is called as a position statement because it is on a particular date. Let us see the functions of accounting for more understanding. An analysis of the definition brings out the functions of accounting as firstly, recording. This is the basic function of accounting. It is concerned with the recording of financial transactions in an orderly manner soon after their occurrence in the proper books of account. The next important aspect is classifying. It is concerned with the systematic analysis of the recorded data so as to accumulate the transactions of similar type at one place. The work of classification is done in ledger. In classification, we focus on various rules of accounting and types of accounts are also considered. Summarizing, it is concerned with the presentation of classified financial data in a manner understandable and useful to the interested parties. It includes the preparation of trial balance, income statement and balance sheet. Then interpreting. After the results are prepared, we need to interpret it for decision making and for other purposes. The recorded financial data is analyzed and interpreted in a manner that users can make meaningful judgment about the financial position of the business. Evaluation. It is concerned with the assessment of the performance achieved in relation to the targets. Stewardship. Accounting for the users of owners funds wherein the management and owners are separated. Particularly the term stewardship means owners of the business require accounting information for their own self, and they can also know the progress of the business, and for that purpose this stewardship is important. Measurement. Accounting measures past performance of the business entity and depicts its current financial position. Then government regulation and taxation. Accounting provides the information to the government to exercise control on the entity as well as collection of tax revenue, because whenever tax revenue is charged, the base of this tax is the income received and the profit earned, and these figures and these details are given by the accounting records. Hence accounting in this way identifies business transactions, records them in proper books of accounts and prepares ledger accounts, and from the ledger accounts trial balance is prepared, which is a summary of all ledger balances, and finally financial statements are prepared, and in these financial statements we include trading account, profit and loss account, which is now treated as income and expenditure account or income statement, as well as balance sheet. Thus in this lecture we have studied the objectives of accounting along with its functions. Thank you.